Okay, guys, welcome back. And today we are going to start with a new lecture, and this is lecture number 10. The chapter is the same, chapter number 2. And today we are going to start with the actual or threatened litigation. Okay, so actual or threatened litigation. Okay, first you have to understand that what does that word mean litigation. Simply put, litigation is a legal case. Okay, either an actual lawsuit or even just the threat of one against the audit firm. So imagine this: you are auditing a company, and suddenly the client say, "We are going to sue you for negligence," or maybe they, actually file a case. What happened then? Immediately, two threats pop up. The first one is your self-interest, and the second one is intimidation threat. So self-interest threat, you start worrying about your own position. If this case, let's say, goes badly, my firm could lose money or reputation, and that fear can cloud your judgment. While the second one, which is intimidation threat, which means that you feel pressured. The client is basically saying, we will drag you to the court if you don't cooperate. That makes you nervous, definitely. Now, you might be wondering, why does this matter for independence? Because we have two types of threat. The first one is self-interest and the second one is intimidation. So why does this matter for independence? We'll think about it like litigation puts the auditor and client in a bad position, meaning you are in opposite side. You are no longer partner in trust. You are opponents in a legal fight. Okay, so what does wrong in this situation? The auditor may struggle to report impartially. The auditor may struggle to report impartially, and you are thinking about protecting yourself instead of being objective. And the client may stop cooperating. They might refuse to share information because of the legal tension. So does that that make sense? Basically, trust breaks down on both sides. Now you have to understand that how serious this is a threat. How serious? Now here we have most students get confused. The seriousness of litigation depends on two things. What are those two things? The first one is materiality, and the second one is your prior audit engagement. By materiality, we mean that is it a small claim or a huge case that could damage the firm? While prior audit engagement, we mean that is the litigation about past audit work? If yes, the threat is even stronger because it directly questions your early judgment. Let me explain that again. If the case is about something you did last year, your independence is hit harder than if it is about something unrelated. Okay. Now here we have safeguards. So what can be done? So what can the firm do to protect independence? Two main safeguards here we have. The first one is independent review, and the second one is remove the individual from the audit team. What does it mean? By independent review, I mean that bring in someone outside the audit team to check the dispute work. So you'll bring someone outside of the audit team, and that will check the disputed work. And that way the review is unbiased. Okay. The second safeguard, you have removed the involved team members. If the litigation involves a specific auditor, take them off the audit team. that reduce the personal conflict. Think about it if you are personally being sued. How can you stay objective? Better to step aside. So what we have to understand here, we have to understand the word litigation, which is a legal case or threat. We have threats, that is self-interest and intimidation. The problems were that auditor loses impartiality, client withhold information, and the factor that is significance of the threat will depend on or materiality and prior engagement. Why the safeguard? We have discussed that independent review plus remove involved team member. So to quickly recap, litigation means a legal fight between auditor and client. It creates self-interest and intimidation threat because of the auditor worries about themselves and feels pressure. So the relationship become bad and trust breakdown and independence is compromised. The seriousness depends on how big the case is and whether it is about past audit and the safeguard, which we have discussed, that include your independent review plus removing any team member directly involved. Okay, so thank you for watching. In the next video, we will discuss the subtopic of this.